And then in, oh! Do you like goat's cheese?
Can I be honest?
Today we're making one of our calorie smart recipes, a mushroom goat's cheese and caramelised onion burger, under 600 calories and also with wedges. Hi, I'm Mimi, Recipe Development Manager at HelloFresh, and I'm here today with Nat, one of the amazing coaches from the WW D360 program. For anyone that's not aware of the D360 program, Nat, can you tell us a bit about it?
Yes, absolutely. So I am one of a team of 4 coaches, and we host live cooking sessions and mindfulness workshops and workouts, and we help our members with amazing behavioral change techniques, all ultimately designed to help them lead happier and healthier lifestyles.
Let's get cooking. First of all, just need to chop our potatoes up into wedges.
No peeling.
No peeling.
I'm a fan of not peeling.
Yeah.
But it gives good texture as well, I find.
Exactly.
Yeah.
The tip to crispy wedges is not having them all on top of each other.
You have to socially distance your potatoes for the crisp, right?
100%.
At WW, we encourage our members to use the calorie-controlled frying spray. If you're not using that, just account for the smart points that is in oils.
So we put them in on the top shelf. Next, we're going to start doing our caramelized onions. You want to keep the root on the onion.
So they don't go flying all over the place.
Yeah, so they don't go flying all over the place. When you chop an onion, you want a really sharp knife. Blunt knives are more dangerous than sharp knives. So you just sort of rock the knife.
Is this
through.
a self-taught technique, or?
I've done a few knife courses.
It's very impressive.
Thank you.
You do it with such ease.
It's the sharp knife.
And the chef.
You want them to cook low and slow.
Low and slow.
Just to make them really nice and sticky, add a little pinch of sugar and a bit of balsamic.
Smells good.
You want to let the balsamic reduce.
You're still going to keep it on the heat now?
Yeah, just till they're nice and brown. Then we're just going to pop that on the side and then get on with our burgers.
And that's onions done.
Yeah.
That's easy.
I know.
I love the simplicity of like everything that I'm seeing.
It's a very easy recipe, but very delicious.
Yeah.
So the onions are now really nice and sticky, so we're just going to pop them in a bowl. Trying to keep the pans to a minimum, so we're going to reuse this pan, just going to give it a little wipe. Because
like
no
that.
one likes washing up.
No.
We're just going to get rid of these little stalks,
Yeah.
which you can then, put in a risotto.
How long could you keep them in the fridge to use them again, or would you use them again straight away for?
I'd probably use them the next day or
They've got
couple
good flavour.
of days. Yeah.
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 Okay.
You can just put them straight in the oven,
Yeah.
but they actually take longer.
In the oven.
Yeah.
So you want to kind of par cook them here,
Yeah,
and then
exactly.
finish them off in the oven
Yeah,
rather.
like when you cook meat in the pan, just
Okay.
to kind of sear it and
Yeah.
then put it in the oven. It gives it more of like a meaty flavour.
Yes. And so what's your indication when these are kind of like ready to go in the oven? What are you looking for?
Well, we just want them to be a bit
Oh,
softened
look at
and
that.
like nicely browned.
Yum.
Because colour is flavour. We're just cooking them for about 3 to 4 minutes each side, and then we're gonna bake them with our goat's cheese in as well.
Oh, so the goat's cheese is going in the oven.
Yeah, exactly. So it's gonna be all like brown and a bit crispy.
Delicious.
Do you like goat's cheese?
I don't love goat's cheese. I'm very excited to try it.
God,
Don't get me wrong.
The pressure's on.
We just crumbling it in.
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh, it is very soft. Well, that couldn't be easier.
And now we'll just
Wait, lost a little bit. There we go.
pop the mushrooms in the oven for about 10 minutes. Nat, please could you halve these ciabattas?
Gladly.
And I am just going to get on with making the dressing. It's literally balsamic vinegar, tiny bit of salt and pepper, and then a little drizzle of olive oil.
Nice.
We're not actually going to dress the salad because the leaves are very fragile. We're going to dress it just before so the acid doesn't kind of wilt them.
Sure.
Yeah.
Stay nice and fresh.
Fresh.
Crunchy.
I'm just going to chuck these in the oven for 2 minutes, just on one of the shelves. Doesn't need to go
Easy.
on a tray. Mushrooms are done.
Yum. Wow.
Nice and golden.
They smell really good.
Just going to get the ciabattas out. Ooh. Perfectly fit.
They were made for each other.
I know.
That shroom and that.
A few of our caramelised onions on top.
Those look unreal. The colours look so amazing, and I definitely want to do a Coach Live with this caramelised onion technique. I'm very into that. It looks incredible. Yeah.
So, Nat, do you want to put a bit of salad on there, and I will get the wedges out?
Yes, I do.
Because you're going to be tasting this.
Oh, those look so good. I'm very excited to try this. What should I do first? I think I should
Go burger.
Go big on the burger. Okay. Oof. Oh, look at all that juice.
Oh yeah.
That's what you want, right?
Yeah. Oh my God, do you like the goat's cheese?
I swear, I really love the goat's cheese. It's so good. It's like meaty. I love potatoes. There's good crunch there.
Too.
And there may be a goat's cheese conversion happening.
Yes.
For those who are following the WW program, this dish is 15 smart points on the blue and the green plan and 10 smart points on the purple plan. Our members are going to absolutely love this recipe. It is so delicious and easy and simple and like the perfect one to inject into a livable lifestyle.
I'm so glad you enjoyed that, Nat. And if anyone else wants to enjoy it, then you can sign up for a HelloFresh box on the website, and all the WW recipes are signposted on there. And when you order them, you'll get a recipe card and it will have all the smart point details on there as well.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure.